Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And finally, Marvel HeroClix Spider-Verse is here in the Philippines. We are doing our first brick break of the latest HeroClix set. And as you can see on the screen, we are looking at 12 participants. Okay. Jasper, number one, yours truly. Larry, number two. Angelito, Angela is here. 3, 4, 5, and 12. Chito is here. I think I saw Chito get in. Okay, Chito, welcome. Leoj, number 7. Another Larry for 8. 9 and 10 is Marcus and his Spider Sense. 11 is Heinz. And again, 12 is Angelito. So this particular set, let me show you the brick. Uh, we have 12 boosters from the brick, and of course a legacy card to be raffled off at the end of the brick break. As always, we have our bounty items. Okay, so um, nominated by Marcus for bounty A is the aim set spot super rare. Bounty B is the bugs spider ham, nominated by Neil, and then nominated by Conrad and myself. The cosmic bounty, the wall. Okay, disclaimer, walang walang universal weapon si Ronan the Accuser. Okay, because I'm using the universal weapon. Or you know who. Okay. So anyway, as always, we are going to uh, randomize the list using our trusty random.org dice roller. Okay, so let's check out how many. Uy, critical hit. 12 times. Okay, Hadari weapon. Di ba obvious? Well, congrats. Okay, so we'll randomize the list 12 times. That will decide the order of the brick break. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so this is our list. Let me just transfer that to our slides. Okay. So remember, guys, this set is already legal. So for those of you guys who are joining Doc Marcus, and I hope everyone joins Doc Marcus tournament this Saturday. It's our first quarter games, our big tourney. So we'll re-announce the details in our Facebook group and the Facebook page of Marcus. Okay, so but whatever you pull here, you can already use in that tournament. Okay, so um, slots number 1 to 6 will be the back of the brick, left to right, and 7 to 12 will be the front of the brick, left to right. Okay, so take a look at your slots. Yours, Jasper, Angelito, Larry, Angelito, Chito, Angelito, Angelito, Heinz, Marcus, Larry, Marcus. So good luck to everyone. Let me stop sharing. Okay, wala pa yung iba. Ano bang magandang collation na brick dito sa mga napanood nyo? Siguro Cosmic Spider-Man, no? I would imagine. So, pag nakakuha tayong one-shots, pwede nang gamitin sa Sabado yan. Uh,
Jasper,
Yung one shot,
naka-Spider-Man costume, no?
Ayaw nga, no? Hindi,
tapos
ano to
yung
eh.
collation.
Nike to eh.
Ang magandang collation so far yung Cosmic Spider-Man. Pero pangit SR.
Nike Spider-Man.
Nike Spider-Man. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so you should see the big hand. Okay, let's get into it. Booster number. Wala, hindi nakasali yung ano natin eh. Face of Hero Clicks natin eh, no? Chito?
Wala, mahina,
Wala,
mahina tayo
mahina.
kay ano. Mahina
Mahina
tayo sa
tayo.
Face of the Hero Clicks.
Oo. Oo nga eh.
Wala.
Nung, na, nung,
Science.
nung nakakuha ng Jaggerduck, ayaw na sumali eh.
Ayaw na, oo.
Di ba? Mali mo, meron pa tayong isa. Naunahan daw siya ni Doc. Okay. So, let's see. Okay, booster number one is, para lang kita natin. Ayan. Booster number one is Leodge, Joel. So, it's been a while since tumali si Joel. So, ito ang ating look at the booster lang quickly. Okay, okay, the wall. And Hammer Spy. Itong malabas na chase, no? Na Spider-Man, malabas to. Nawala yung tukso cause of you. Sana pangit yung kay Joe. Grabe ka. Oh, Joel, oh. Si, ano mo, Conrad. Okay, let's see.
Grabe
Joel,
ka,
good.
Odds. Di ka na nga sumama.
Oo nga eh. Good luck,
Nagdarisan
good
ng
luck.
pangat pa kay Joel.
This is, Uy, Iceman. Iceman common. Uy, bubble wrap oh. Ay, hindi bubble wrap. Equipment. Uy, Chase! Chase mo to?
Chase yan, chase yan.
Chase to, Chase! Oh,
Excited
ano
na
mo?
eh, si Thor.
Joel, oh. Parang newbie ang datingan. Chase agad. Social. Oh, we have Spider UK. We have the Man Mountain Mar Buddha, sabi ni Conrad. And the Chase, Spider, Thor, and Miles Morales. Uncommon. Picasso. Hmm. Congrats, Joel. Kailangan mo ng, ano ba, Mjolnir, equipment, and to me, my hammer siguro. Wala siya dito. Ah, wala nga siya. Okay. Spotlight lang natin. And let's check if merong one shot. Ang bilis ah. Una pa lang, hit na agad ah. Parang, baka ito yung, ano ah, brick ni Nila, baka parehas ah. Web swinging. Ah, malakas to. Pag merong lip climb, evades the attack. So, pwedeng-pwede kay, sino to? Kay Ulysses Bloodstone. Spider-Man. Okay, lagyan mo ng Hell Cycle para magkaroon ng lip climb ng character. Congrats, Joel. One pack magic. Base hit. So we're hoping for Superior Octo. Sabi ni Neil, Superior Octo, Spidey Ham, Lady Long Legs, and 2099 Prime. Kung ganun kung same break. Let's see. Number 2 is Jasper. Let's see. Uy, Spidey Ham, ano yan ah? Bounty yan. Uy, bubble wrap. Good sign. Ay, si Silvermane. Silvermane's head. We have Mysterio, Spider-Punk, Miles Morales, Silvermane, and Inner Demon. Let's see, kami one shot. You have to open everything. Silvermane's head, okay siya. Unfortunately, hindi pala pwedeng equipment yung kanyang ulo. Pero ano, he's a fan figure. Walang one shot. Okay, so that's our first SR. Ay, seka lang. I have to write down pala. Parang may sinabi sa akin Sino ba yung nagsabi sa akin? Ah, si Pete pala. Si Joel to. Leodge. Hindi pa nakakalo. Okay. Angelito, number 3. Check. So parang hindi siya kagaya ng kay Neil. Baka yung kahate. Isang ganyan eh. Nasa shuffle. We have Carnage. Spider-Man Noir. Gwen Stacy. Morlun Rare. And the Lizard. Okay. One shots. So si Morlun, malakas siya pag tinabi mo sa heart-shaped herb. Kasi kahit full health siya, basta nag-heal ata siya. Ganun ba? Pag nag-heal siya,
Oh, ganun siya.
mag-generate siya ng bystander. So almost always, he's gonna be generating a bystander. So very good siya for pulp, especially. This is Angelo. Angel 1. Number 4 is Larry. First of two. Let's see. Iceman. 5 star. Uy, baka Amazing Friends booster to ah. Spider-Bot. Spider... Ano to? Spider-Man, pero blue. Stealth. And Spider-Bite. I'm hearing good things about Spider-Bite, although I haven't looked closely into the figure. And assist from another world, Larry, one shot. I think this is the meta one shot. Assist from another world. Tapos ka nagbibigay ng team ability. Which is Larry. Larry 1. Number 5, Angelito. Booster 2 of 4. But walang tape yung ilalim. Walang tape yung ilalim. For some reason. Okay. Si Mysterio. Gwen Stacy. Oh, Prime! You got the Prime. Para tayo ng Prime kay Neil. The Spider-Man 2099 Prime. And yun na to. Sorry, hindi ko pa kabisado. Goon and Venom. Okay ba to, yung Prime na yan? $20.99 Prime. Okay. At least we got a Prime in the booster. Okay. So, this is turning out to be... It's a good booster actually kasi kung kumpleto siya ng tatlong SR, isang Prime and isang Chase. Congrats, Angelito, number 5. And Chito, this is you. Minsan lang nandito si Chito. Tingnan natin. Ayan na, nandito na si Chito. Blue. Spider Bite. The blue. Transparent. Translucent. Mysterio. Lizard. Oh, Spider-Man na. Spider-Man na nakatungtong sa box. Box ba yan? O, ng brick wall. And Man Mountain, Marco. This one is good, I think, for pulp. Black Suit Spider. Ay, wala lang talagang tatalo dun sa Black Suit Spider-Man sa SMBA. But that's a prime. So, one shots. Spider-Man 31A, not the prime. Okay. I like that figure actually. And that's Cheeto. Cheeto. Okay, so we are halfway from the break. Quick recap. We already have one SR, one Prime, and one Chase. So we're expecting 2 more super rare, if ever. So let's proceed to the second half, starting with Angelito. 7 and 8 is Angelito. So sabayin na natin. Okay, this is your booster 3 and 4. Okay. Spider Bite, lapitin ka dito ah. Goon. Spider. The Spider. The old school Spider. Spider-Man, Miles Morales, and Spider-Man. The rare is this one. The Victorian version Spider-Man. Let's see. There's one shots. We get 2 one shots na. Hopefully there's a third one. Yun nga. Third one is the Spider Totem. One shot. That's the rare. So it's our typical booster, a typical brick. Angelito. Ano yan? Angelito. Angel. Brick. Angelito, booster 4. See, we have Inner Demon, Spider-Man. Oh, Bubble Wrap. We have Spider-Man, Translucent. Ay, Stiltman, Lady Stiltman. Asan siya? Ayun. So you have the super rare Lady Stiltman. Okay, hindi siya part ng bounty natin, unfortunately. So para may familiar sa kay Neil, merong Prime and Lady Longlegs. Spider Clone, Lady Stiltman is the SR. Okay, that's it for Angelito. That's your fourth booster, Angel 4. Then let's go with Heinz. Heinz number 9, wherever you are. This is for you. We have Black Symbiote, Spider-Bot, liliit ah. Man Mountain. Ay, hindi pala, Tombstone. Man Mountain Marco ko ng ano. You have Bedlam, Red Venom, and Ashley Barton. Very thick. Thick figure. Laki ng ano, boobs. Let's see if meron one shot. There's no one shots. Okay, so Heinz, you got the somebody got the long legs. You got the big boob. Nice. Okay, Marcus, number 10. One of two. May isa pang SR tayong inaantay. Ako, lapitin si Marcus ng octopus eh. Tingnan natin kung makuha niya yung octopus in one of
Oh,
his two
sana.
booster. Wala ka pa niyan, if ever, di ba?
Yung superior, wala.
Spider-Man, Goon. Oy, Prime! Another Prime!
SR
Spider-Ham!
Prime! SR
SR
Prime!
Prime! Another Prime! Spider-Ham Prime!
Wow!
Ooh!
Maganda yan.
Ooh! Maganda to. Talagang spider sense mo, Marcus, ha? Yeah, I think this is the set of Marcus, the Spider-Man set. Okay, double Prime set. Hindi, hindi siya
Dapat
kasama sa
nakuha ni Conrad yan, oh.
Oo nga eh, nakuha sana ni Conrad eh.
Sayang, Konso. Dapat
Wala.
sa'yo yan, eh.
Iceman. Iceman. Ay, hindi siya Iceman pala to. Si Slide and Gwen Stacy. Che, sabi ko sa'yo, Conrad eh, oh. Prime Juggerduck, sabay Prime Spider-Ham. Ikaw talaga eh.
Sayang, Conrad. Dapat sa'yo yan, eh.
So,
Oo. Ang ganda, oh.
ganda
Sayang.
itim oh.
Sayang, Cons. Maganda yan. Train mo na
Yun
lang.
ano eh.
Kaya
Yun
ano
ano
yan, mahal
talaga.
yan. Kaya itong isa sa mga mahal na
But
pin.
madami naghahanap niyan actually, Spider-Ham na yan. Kasi mahirap makuha ang SR Prime. And desirable si Spider-Man because of popularity. Larry, Booster 2 of 2. Sana may isa pang SR, no? Kasi SR Prime na yun eh. Pwede. Let's see.
Pwede. Pero parang wala na siguro.
Let's see.
Sana.
Spider-Man? Oy, Glider! Nakalimutan. Parang ano to? Rare lang.
Maganda yan. Maganda
Rare.
glider.
Glider, o nga. Every brick has a glider, I think. So, Larry, you got the equipment for the set. Scarlet Spider, Noir, and Goblin. Oh, first time. Pang-una pa lang sa ano, sa brick. Not bad. Equipment. Pwede na gamitin yan ha, Sabado, to give flight. Walang one shot. Pero let's take a look. Precision strike, combat reflexes. That's good. Flight tapos EEESD. Ang kailangan ko yan ah. Flight na yan eh. Tapos ESD. This Larry. Booster number 2, Larry. Parang chase na rin yan. One in a brick lang yan. Anong yan? Tagod. Liver na yan. And the last one is Marcus. Tingnan natin kung talagang spider sense. Pag ito, nag-SR pa ulit, Marcus. Talaga naman. Let's see. Goblin Army. Man Mountain. Hindi, Tombstone. Ano ba? Lizard? Uy, okay to sa shield, oh. Lizard tsaka ano.
Yung B ba
Eh,
yan? Yung B? Ayun, ayun, hinahanap
ay,
kong one shot, yung canon event.
yan. And then meron kang ano. Walang octopus, pero meron yung ginagamit ni octopus.
Oo, si Stunner.
Si Stunner, kailangan yan. Pwede ka
Maganda yan,
mag-generate.
canon event. Meta yan
And you have a canon
one shot
event,
na yan.
one shot. Okay, let's see. Nakakagawa na talaga si Marcos ng Dr. Octopus team. Okay. Stunner, 25 points. May stat click pa, 25 points, oh. Yan
5
to.
points, 5 clicks, stop click.
5 clicks na may stat click, tapos free generate lang ni ano, Dr. Octopus, tapos pwede ka bang maglagay ng pangalawa sa team. So you need 2 of this. Kahit unique yan, pwede yung dalawa. Tombstone and Canon event. When a friendly character is KO'd, you may choose a friendly character to gain immune. Ooh. Okay to ah. Pwede to sa ano ah. Sa butterfly ah. Pag namatay yung butterfly, magkakaroon ng immune yung isa mong ano, character.
Oo, madami yan.
Parang gusto kong lagyan ng immune si Hadaria for one turn ah. Lusob si Hadari, sabay patayan ng butterfly para maging ano, immune si Hadari. Walang bawi. Immune yung isang butterfly din. Hindi. Kung pipili ka ng character na pwedeng maging immune. So, pwedeng gusto mo si Kong gawing immune for one turn para maka-atake siya ulit. Okay. So, we are going to raffle off our bounty, but not bounty, so we did not get the bounty, so I'll just add on to the bounty for the next break. But for now, we're going to raffle our legacy card. Okay, let's see how many times. Good luck, everyone.
Okay.
Baba naman ng roll. Kala ko mag-crit miss eh. 3. So, 15 and whoever is on number 1 gets the legacy card. 1, 2, 3. Angelito, you get the legacy card. Let's see what it is.
Congrats.
Sino bang magandang legacy? Si TV Spider-Man, ha?
Si Spider-Man, tsaka yung kotse.
Si Mobile. Spider-Mobile. Si Angelito, you get Spider-Man. Pass on the power. Ano yan? Super Sent. Madam Web. Madam Web legacy card. Okay to. May ganito akong figure kasi wala akong legacy card. So, Madam Web legacy card SR for you. Sige. So, that's it, everyone. As always, thank you very much for supporting our Brick Break. If you have some buys and sell or trades, please let me know. I'll bring all the items on Saturday, but of course, you can schedule shipping if you want to. So once again, this is Pinoy HeroClix, and I'm gonna stop the recording. Bye-bye!